So here is Fleeky app wallpapers and theme. You can just tap get to install it. Trending wallpapers, charging animations, depth effect wallpaper, launch widgets, 3D effects, 4K Ultra HD wallpapers. Upgrade your iPhone experience now with Fleeky. Our app combines cutting-edge features to transform your device into a dynamic hub of creativity and functionality. Unleash the full potential of your iPhone. Start your 3-day free trial and unleash the full potential of your phone. And then, yeah, you have charging screens, you have wallpapers, you have launch widgets. Transform your phone into dynamic canvas with Fleeky. Our dynamic suite of features ensure that your device not only looks amazing, but also becomes a powerhouse of creativity and functionality. Download now and with a 3-day free trial, experience the difference firsthand. So then you can just open it up. Set imagine charging screen, depth effect, transform your screen, and then you can try for free 3-day free trial. You can get access to all content, and then $8 per week. If you wanna, then you can just upgrade. And then, yeah, you can have like the idea in here, so you can see all of this in here. Wallpapers, widgets, new wallpapers, settings, a lot of widgets. You can have it in here. You can then unlock premium, and then there's charging animation, then there's wallpapers, then there is style, and then there's just what it is. So that's the app.